Imagine hearing your voice, not a generic AI singer, on a fully produced song with clean vocals, backing instruments, harmonies, and structure without a studio. Most people think Suno can't do this properly. You're wrong. In this video, I will show you exactly how to combine your real voice with Suno AI music, to the correct workflow, the tools you actually need, and the mistakes that completely ruin results. No theory, only steps. Let's do some reality checks, right? Suno does not directly clone your voice yet. So the process is you record your voice, prepare it correctly, use Suno for music structure and AI vocals, blend or guide the output using your voice. This is how creators are actually doing it right now, right? Now, what you need. You only need three things: your voice recording, Suno AI account, one simple audio tool, free or paid. Okay. Recording options. You can record via your phone voice recorder, good enough. USB mic, better. No studio needed. Rule: clean audio, expensive. It's better than expensive gear. Now you're gonna record your voice the right way. This step decides everything, right? How to record: quiet room, no echo, speak or sing clearly, neutral emotion. AI works better with clean input, right? Now, what to record? Choose one: singing melody, spoken lyrics, hummed tune. Don't add effects, don't add music, don't whisper. Keep it raw and clean. Now, after you did all that, now we're not talking about Suno, right? We're not talking about putting it in Suno. We're talking about now how to record your own voice, right? Now prepare your voice, and this is a critical step. Before Suno touches anything, you need to prep the voice. Use tools like Audacity, right, which is free, right? GarageBand or any basic editor. Okay, do this: trim silence, normalize volume, export as a WAV or MP3. Right? Hack: AI responds better to consistent volume, not loud vocals. Right? Next, now create the AI song in Suno. Right? So we're gonna go back to Suno, right? And we're gonna go to the create on the left hand menu, right? The second option, right? Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna choose simple or custom, right? And you can upload or record from a library, right? If you have a good mic, just hit record and start doing it in Suno, right? But I already said that you should do it on your phone because you need to maybe clear the environment, basically noise and everything. So that should be done on a separate tool. But if you have a clean voice and everything, just hit upload, right, and put it inside Suno. Okay. Now what we're gonna do, we gotta choose custom, right, because we added our audio. Now we're gonna put the lyrics. Paste the same lyrics you recorded. That's important for alignment. The style prompt. Okay, this matters more than ever, right? People skip this step, but really, this is really the core, or this is the bread butter, as they say. So we're gonna type something like, if your song is aligned with this, just type modern pop instrumental. All right. And choose mid tempo, right? Emotional, right? Minimal vocals, right? Space for lead vocal. This is an example. So if it's different, just do the same method but with a different vibe, right? If you know what I mean. I'm just demonstrating an example. Clean mix. So modern pop instrumental, mid tempo, emotional, minimal vocals, space for lead vocal, clean mix, right? And now key phrase to include, space for lead vocal, instrumental focus. So if you need to summarize all of that, just include space for lead vocal, instrumental focus. Okay. Now, this prevents AI vocals from overpowering your voice later. Now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna generate the instrumental first versions. Here's the mistake most people make. They generate full vocals immediately. Instead, generate instrumental leading tracks, choose versions with simple structure. You're building a bed for your voice, not competing with it. Okay? And now what you're gonna do, you're gonna combine your voice with Suno music. Now you have your voice file, Suno instrumental light vocal track. Okay? You can see it here on your workspace if you hit create. Okay? You could use Audacity, GarageBand, CapCut, FL Studio, which is optional, right? To just put your music out there. Okay? To align your voice with the Suno music, right? Now, you're gonna import the Suno track, import your voice, align lyrics timing, lower music volume slightly, keep voice up front. Hack, if timing feels off, stretch the music, not your voice. Right? Next, which is optional, right? You don't have to do this, but something to keep in mind. AI assisted vocal enhancement. If you want polish, add light compression, very small reverb, slight EQ. Do not overprocess. Do not pitch correct heavily. Natural beats, robotic every time. Okay. Next, advanced method. This is what advanced creators do. They generate AI vocals in Suno, use them as a performance reference, re-record your voice following the AI phrasing, replace AI vocals entirely. Result, human emotion, AI level structure, best of both worlds, right? Now let's talk about the common mistakes people use, which you should avoid, right? Citing off beat and blaming AI, recording with background noise, using heavy effects early, fighting the instrumental instead of fitting it, expecting voice cloning, not available yet on Suno, right? What you can do with this, once combined, you can upload to YouTube, use in Reels or Shorts, create demos, build a music brand, experiment safely without studio costs. This workflow is why AI music creators are scaling fast. So Suno isn't replacing your voice, it's amplifying it. If you treat AI like a shortcut, results are average. If you treat it like a collaborator, results level up fast, right? So, you know what to do, right? Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.